National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Nolensville, or 10 miles west of Murfreesboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro and Walter Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 71 and 81. Interstate 840 between mile markers 46 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the tornado warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, western Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee.